Well guys, I've got the Superman shirt on. I'm just about to take my new e-bike out for the first ride. Must admit I'm a little bit apprehensive because it's supposed to be really powerful. It weighs 70 pounds, so it is heavy. Pretty spiffy looking helmet. It's even got, see the plug-in on the back? Just here, there's a USB point on the back. You can push that button and it lights up at night time. There's everything I need there. Ooh. Anyway, it's ready to go. About the seat. So I paid $2,100 for this bike off Facebook Marketplace. Usually $3,600 new. Gear, not even an 8th gear. Crying at all. I'll duck my head here. And I'm easily up to, what, 24k. The Kerrigans had that in their backyard. Just really humming along in sports mode. 21k now. Jesus, bloody going good off-road too. Look at that. Jesus. The battery has a top safety rating and you can remove it to recharge it. Jeez, if I wasn't holding this phone in my hand, it'd probably go even quicker. It is a big bike, so it takes up a fair bit of room. A bit crowded in here with the e-bike, the Zero Breeze, you name it. Next wish, an e-bike rack. Sound the bell, it says, if you're catching up with someone. There is front fork suspension, but no rear suspension, but the 4-inch mountain bike tyres take all the bumps out of the road for a really smooth ride. These knobby tyres do make a little bit of a hum on the ground, as you'll hear. I see some big swans over here. There are. There's some swans. Look at this. There's some massive swans here. Look at that. Look at them. Now don't forget to subscribe to Stay Awesome Van Life. Action-packed first ride, I tell you. Get a bit sweaty with helmets on, but anyway. Pretty cool looking helmet, isn't it? Look at that. Just drink water after that. There you go. So I'm pretty hot. Man, this feels good. Oh, so cool. So cool. You hit the subscribe button. You can also change the class of e-bike from class 2 to class 3. I'm really happy with the bike as it is in standard mode. Absolutely brilliant. I don't need any more power. It'll do what I want it to do. I want to do a lot of off-road, but off-road where the well-beaten tracks are, because it hasn't got any rear suspension. So that's one thing to think about. But yeah, there's plenty of accessories too online on the Averton website. You can even buy a spare battery if you like. In the meantime, stay awesome, stay safe, and make sure you wear your helmet, guys. Always wear it. Here are the specs.